Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about a topic that's near and dear to many of us, money. Specifically, I'm going to be discussing the minimum balance for bask bank accounts. Now, I know what you're thinking. Why would I care about the minimum balance for a bank account? Well, the answer is simple. It can have a big impact on your finances. If you don't meet the minimum balance requirement, you could end up paying hefty fees. So, what is the minimum balance for bask bank accounts? Well, the good news is that there is no minimum balance requirement for any of their accounts. This means that you can open an account with as little money as you want. In addition to having no minimum balance requirement, Bask Bank also offers a number of other benefits, such as high interest rates, no monthly fees, free online banking, mobile app. So, if you're looking for a bank that offers competitive rates and no minimum balance requirements, Bask Bank is a great option. Now that we've covered the basics, let's take a closer look at some of the different types of accounts that Bask Bank offers. Bask Bank offers two main types of accounts, checking and savings. Checking accounts are designed for everyday banking needs, such as paying bills and making purchases. They typically offer a low interest rate, but they're very convenient to use. Savings accounts are designed for saving money. They typically offer a higher interest rate than checking accounts, but they're less convenient to use. Bask Bank also offers a number of specialty accounts, such as their Bask Interest Savings Account and their Bask Mileage Savings Account. The Bask Interest Savings Account is a great option for those who are looking to earn a high interest rate on their savings. The account has no minimum balance requirement and offers a competitive interest rate. The Bask Mileage Savings Account is a great option for those who are frequent flyers. The account earns you American Airlines AAdvantage bonus miles for every dollar you save. Now that we've covered the different types of accounts that Bask Bank offers, let's take a look at some of the other features that the bank offers. Bask Bank offers a number of features that make it a great choice for both new and experienced bankers. Some of these features include free online banking, mobile app, 24/7 customer service, FDIC insurance. Overall, Bask Bank is a great choice for anyone who is looking for a bank that offers competitive rates, no minimum balance requirements, and a variety of features. So, what are you waiting for? Open a Bask Bank account today and start saving money. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.